Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to recover deleted TikTok videos. If you have to deleted any of the TikTok video from your TikTok app, now you have to go to your gallery and search that video there. Maybe you have saved that video in your gallery and again you have to repost that video or download video. If you have deleted your video from gallery, now how to recover? Click on the TikTok, click on profiles. Here you can see the videos that you liked. You have to click any of the video from here and save that video, like you have liked this video, and click on this and click on save. Your this video will be saved in your gallery. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.